here's our how-to whitewash a fireplace. So we started with the insert, we taped off everything and did a little spray paint, the heat resistant spray, just to give it an update and not have to spend a lot of money in replacing the doors. So we figured this will do for now, and we're pretty happy with how that turned out. Next, it was trying to get in all the grout lines. It took a while. I had a little tiny brush, and then I quickly decided I needed to move on to a bigger brush to finish this project. So I took 100% paint. I did not cut it down with any water. I used a Sherwin-Williams Dovetail, so it was a little bit softer of a paint color than just stark white. And I just used the brush to really squish in the paint in every single crevice. And then I took a damp microfiber cloth and I used it to kind of smear the paint around. And this really helped to push the paint in, but also get rid of any of the brush strokes. So it gave it a nice smoky look. I really wanted to cover a lot of the red brick, so I did 2 coats on the red brick, but I left a lot of the black brick to show through a little bit more to give it a white and gray look. And once you kind of got into the groove of it, it was pretty simple to do. It just took a long time, but really happy with the turnout.